I will tell you how to create this minimal business card in Canva. I will also teach you how to make both the front and back sides like this. Let's get started, Bismillah. Let's make the front side first. First of all, go to Canva search section, type business card in the search bar, and choose the business card landscape format. Click on the Create a blank business card option. Go to the Elements section, select the search option, and search cameras in the Elements. Choose this camera element because it looks minimal. Adjust this camera element perfectly like I'm doing right now. After that, select the background image and go to Colors by clicking on this option. Choose the color of the camera element because I want my theme to be consistent and minimal. Go to the text option and now it's time to add some text. Choose this font. It's looking like our theme. Now, edit this font to Jack Photography, or you can choose any other font that belongs to your business. Adjust it close to the camera element and place it perfectly. Go to this option and adjust the line and letter spacing if needed. Go to Text Color and change the color of the text according to the theme. Look, guys, it matches our theme perfectly, and because of this, our theme is same. Go to the Text Effect option, click on Effect, and select this Lift Effect. This effect will add some shadow to our text. Look, now our text is looking more attractive. Go to Elements section and in Elements section, search Minimal Design. Choose this plant element because it matches our theme and is very attractive. Adjust this element perfectly. Right-click on the element, click on Layers, and then select Send Backward. Adjust the element so it is perfectly positioned under the camera element. Duplicate this element and adjust it perfectly to the top right corner. Like this, my viewers, it's looking great. Tell me in the comments if it's good or not. And choose another element in the minimal design. Because of this, our design becomes more beautiful. Go to Colors and also change its color accordingly to our design theme. Like this, viewers. Adjust this element very perfectly above our text. Create a duplicate of this element using the duplicate option, and then adjust this element under our text. Our front side has been completed. Now it's time for back side. First of all, add a new page by clicking on his option. Now, go to the recently used items in the Elements section and select the same camera element we just used in our front side design. Now adjust this element very perfectly at the right side, my viewers. Go to the duplicate option and make a duplicate. We'll use this duplicated element as a shadow of the camera element. Right-click on the duplicated element, go to Layers, and select Send Backward. Adjust it like I'm doing right now, and then go to Transparency and set the opacity of the element to the minimum. Now it becomes our camera element shadow. I will adjust its size, position, and a little bit of transparency, and then it will be perfect. Go to the recently used shapes in the Elements section and choose this shape. Now, I will adjust it perfectly on our design. On this shape, we will write our address, phone number, website, etc. When you are done adjusting its size, go to Color and select a color that exactly matches our design. This way, when we write something on it, it will look beautiful. Now, go to Text and click on Add a Heading. After that, write Jack Photography. And adjust this text perfectly to the top of the rectangle shape. Yeah, perfect, like this. And after that, go to Fonts and select a font from one of those. I just choose an open source font because it's lighter and looks beautiful on a business card. Go to Text Color and then choose a color according to the theme, like I said before. Now, first of all, write address in the Elements section. It will give you address icons. Select one of them and put it on our shape design. Adjust it perfectly, and then after that, go to Colors and select the color according to the theme. Go to Text, click on Add a Heading, and write your business address. For example, I'm writing New York Main Avenue 77. Also adjust its color, my friends. Go to Element and this time search Mobile and take this icon from all of these. Adjust it very perfectly. Then, right-click on the address icon, select Copy Style, and after that, paste the address effect on the mobile icon. I will adjust it a little bit more under the address at the same position. Click on Add a Heading and now write your business phone number on the card. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's done. Now, do the same, copy the style of the text and then paste it on the phone number so they become similar. Adjust its size as well, guys. Go to Elements and search for Website. Choose a website icon from the options because now we will add our business website. Adjust the size of the website icon as well. Change the color of the icon as we did with the others. Now go to Text and add a heading for our website address. Now we can edit the text with our website address, like this. Adjust his size as well, same as the others. Now, right-click on the phone number, select Copy Style, and paste it on the website address. Now adjust the rectangle shape a little bit, and then it becomes perfect like this. Now, we'll write a description to make our card more interesting. Write the description I'm writing, or you can change it to whatever you want. Now, go to Fonts and change our description text. I'm choosing this one. You can choose whatever you want, but make sure that your description is much lighter, not so bold. Go to Elements and search for Minimal Design in the Element section. Choose the plant element that we used on our front side and adjust it under the rectangle shape because I want my theme to be perfect. We'll add another one to the right top corner of the theme. Our design is ready. Go to the top right corner and click on the Share button, then download our card in PNG file. This is our front side of business card. This is our back side. Tell me in the comments if you like it or not, or subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the like button.